Passou muita lima e muita luta.
É levezinho, é levezinho.
Então,
Qual é a liga?
So we are here in Bracara Augusta 2022 and I found very interesting new pistol. It's a AZ ARMA ZEKA, ARMA ZEKA P1 and P1 in dual tone. So we have a cylinder, the difference only in the colors. So for me it's really interesting, new model, new manufacturer, what they can improve from CZ or another pistols. Let's check. So magazine, it's not from CZ or from some another popular brand, something completely unique. Aluminium base pads. It's a frame, slide, barrel, but I already see what frame have insert, like zigzag. It doesn't have slide stop, it have, but it's different from the slide lock. We opening the pistol. You just only need to push by your finger and remove. It looks like on AR-15 style, but it's very easy to remove the slide. Here we see white rod, it's from steel, and recoil spring, and also bushing. It's nice. Barrel. We try to remove the barrel. So nothing special, but looks very good quality. Slide. It's drilled for lightweight, and I see it have firing pin block and a large extractor, not like on CZ or Glock. Front sides, very similar to CZ style, 7.5 height, and rear adjustable. I think profile is similar to CZ. So the frame and this insert. Serial number on the frame, but this insert you can remove. So all trigger mechanism inside. Trigger spring is completely different from CZ, and all parts I see it's not like a copy of CZ. Safety, and this is a slide stop. Very small grips, but I think they have different sizes. And back strap, dovetail, you can remove, and I think they have different sizes or maybe from different materials. For example, from brass for heavy weight. Magazine catch, unique shape, and I'm sure it's reversible. You can reverse to another side. So the trigger mechanism, it's a double action and single action, the DASA. What about reset? So free walk, it's adjustable here. They have a screw, but here I think it's nothing. You can't nothing to adjust. Okay. Trigger and try and reset. I don't feel the reset, but it's really short. It's, yeah, you see, it's short. So maybe we need to try with slide. Okay, I assemble it back. Very easy, align and push. So try and reset again. Free walk a lot, but can be adjustable. And so in double action I think it's near 2.5, maybe maximum 3 kilos. In single action it's maybe 1.5 kilo, closer to 1.5. So this is ARMA ZEKA AZ P1 in Bracara Augusta 2022.